How to fix Kernel Data Inpage blue screen error in Windows 10 or 11. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this issue. The first thing you want to do is click on the search bar and here search View Advanced System Settings. Once you get here, click on the Advanced option. Now click on Settings for Performance. Here, you will find the option Advanced, click on that. Now select Change for Virtual Memory. Then check the box that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Click on OK. Once that is done, the next thing you want to do is restart your computer. After restarting, you want to click on the search bar again. Now search Command Prompt. Then right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. Here type CHKDSK space C colon space /F space /R and hit Enter. Now type Y and hit Enter. Restart your computer and wait for the process to be finished. Now you want to click on the search bar and search Windows Memory Diagnostic. Then click on the first option, Restart Now and check for problems. This is going to check any issue in the RAM. Once done, the issue will be resolved, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.